As you can see, this is proof I got the Twitter followers. Now let me show you how it all started. If you noticed, at first I had only 4 followers on my Twitter account. Now copy your username and go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword Mama Followers. Select the read more below the post.
Five minutes later.
As you can see, we now have 14 followers on our Twitter account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.